You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. I saw it at Walgreens. I liked it. I got it. Yup. For real. This looks like a can I speak to your manager haircut if it wasn't green. But low key, it's cute, but it makes me look like 20 years older. What's up, guys? It's Sugar Skull Candy coming back at you with a brand new tutorial. Today we are doing a St. Paddy's Day look, and it is very extra. So if you are as extra as me and you want to wear this out this weekend, keep watching. Alright guys, so today we are going to be using the James Charles palette. I just got it, and it is so lovely. I love it. We're going to start with Social Blade, which is this lighter green in the James Charles palette. And we're going to apply that up here on the upper brow bone. Then I'm going in with another brush and dip it into Daddy, which is the dark green right next to it. And we're going to apply that right here. I just went in with the space that was left and added Flashback, which is the white in the palette, just to kind of fill that in, because we're going to be taking all 6 colors of the rainbow and we're going to put red, orange, yellow on top and green, blue, purple on the bottom to create a rainbow and maybe have it land in a pot of gold. I don't know yet. We're playing it by ear. But okay. So next, we're going to be using the liners from the Vivid Brights collection. Now these are like not my favorite, I would say, but they'll work for this tutorial. If you want something that's longer lasting, I recommend getting water-based paints, because those don't crack as easily as these tend to, and so it'll last you longer throughout the night if you're going out clubbing and stuff. So we're actually going to start with the yellow because we want it to go red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, you know? So we're going to start with the yellow because I'm going to start right in my lid. And then we'll go in with the orange and then the red. And then the bottom we'll do green, blue, purple. So I have to decide if I want to wing it. So unfortunately, the red and the orange look very much the same color. Alright, so next I'm going to take my Bo Buckles black face paint, and I decided I'm not going to do the pot of gold on this side, but I'm going to do a pot of gold on this side, just because I think there's already a lot going on right here, so I'm just going to pop it over here. So I'm taking my Bo Buckles black paint, and I'm going to paint a little pot. Next, I'm going to take some NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to glue, I can't decide if I want to do the sequins or the gems. I guess I'll do the gems because they look like pieces of gold. I'm going to use these little gold gems here and make it look like gold. And there we go. So next I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara. Now that the eyes are done, I'm going to go ahead and finish doing my face. This is one of those new lipsticks Maybelline came out with that are supposed to be flattering for every skin tone. I bought 4 of them, and I've tried just the red one so far, and the red one I loved. The only thing I didn't like is that after wearing it for a few hours, it started feathering, even with a lip liner. So probably use these for like short term. Otherwise you might have to just like wipe off and reapply through the night. But I'm going to use this one called Spice for Me. It's kind of like an orangey color. And I think that completes the look, guys. So if you like what you saw today, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please I just said that. To Mecca and next Tuesday for a brand new tutorial, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.